What's up, guys? Alright, so literally this morning I was like, I kind of want to go to California. So I booked a plane ticket and I'm going to go surprise my cousin. I'm also just about to finish packing up and then we're going to head to the airport. And yeah, it's going to be fun. Alright, so we're at this brand new, what's it called? JSX airline. It's like a private jet kind of. It's like 30 people and then like, you know, we about to board. So we're at the airport, but we're not at the airport. We're at like the side part of the airport, you know?
Proceed to the route. I'm on the route.
The route.
Do you know how we board for JSX?
Yes, sir. So we have to go back around here and then go down this way.
And there's another
Fly
gate.
to JSX terminal.
So apparently we walk into an office and then through the office we walk to the plane. That's kind of weird, but it will be fun. My pilot's leaving. Bye, pilot. Oh, we're gonna walk into an office and then out those doors of the office. So here it is, just a random JSX office. Look at this place. Alright, here's the other 29 passengers. Just chilling in the lobby. And then there's me. Is it gonna be a baggage stand or where is it gonna be?
No, so actually right when you get off the plane in Burbank, it'll be right there. Like as you walk over the plane. Yep.
That's dope. What the heck? I'm fancy, business class. Alright, I'm gonna get more men. That's it.
Going your backpack as well.
We got my fingerprint off that.
That detects any traces of any explosive devices. So if you handle any explosive devices, any weapons, fired any weapons, the debris comes off your hands. I swipe your ID and your bags. It comes up when we put it in our machine and detects if you had anything. So
I don't. So I'm good.
You're good. You're good.
So they just say enjoy some coffee and food while you're waiting to board. Gotta wear the AirPod to flex like everyone else. Because everyone in here's got money except me. Does your waiting for your private jet have this? I don't think so. Here we go. Bye, Dad.
Goodbye.
What's up?
Hey, welcome aboard, Mr. Collins. Have a good flight.
Have a good one. Here we go. All right. Well, this is the private jet. What's up?
Yeah. Watch your steps.
Hello.
Hi there.
Surprise! Is that the car you got from me, Shane? Shane, how surprised were you that I showed up at your house? Yes, he was super excited.
The 800 was 90 seconds.
What the heck is this thing? Giving seagulls ice. He's just holding in his beak. Doesn't know what to do. He's shaking like a dog. Brain freeze. Alright, now we're gonna throw a big one. He's just holding it. What are you gonna do? He can't pick it up. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. He dropped it. He's putting it up and down. Seagulls bark. literally just barking. Shut up. Yes, that was a really quick trip to Cali, but it was fun. I just surprised my cousin. It turned out to be just like a family trip rather than like vlogging and all that. It was a blast, but now I'm on my way back to Arizona.
Awesome.
Thank you.
All right, here we go.
Alright, we landed. I don't know if you can hear me because it's kind of loud, but back in the Florida. Any words, Jake? So that was a 2.5 hour game. The pro rules, you only have to hit your ball first. Any scratch, take ball out. You have to do a bang for every shot. So that took a fat while. But I won, of course. Alright, she wanted to be in the vlog, so she did that. That's it.
Oh yeah, of course.
Only inside of Chick-fil-A.
About 9 years.
Gonna do
Throw it. Follow your dreams. Shout out to Taylor for recording that last piece. Testing out the thingies in Walmart, right? And she doesn't want to get up because she's boring. I want to do the sleeping on Walmart prank where you just like sleep in one of these things, you know? Yeah. Alright, so what'd you want to do?
We're straightening your hair.
So she told me she wanted to straighten my hair for this. So I said yeah because I was desperate for footage. So yeah, here we go. That's hot.
Look at the steaming.
That is so hot. What the f? I don't like this at all.
This is so funny.
Why am I desperate for footage? I don't know. It's hot. Oh. I look like a goth e-boy looking clown. Curly still? Not curly. Oh, I'm almost got burned. Watch this, watch this, watch this.
Look, you have a little curl right here.
Right, it doesn't even curl, just floss. So this is what it feels like to have straight hair, man. And you just burnt my ear. I feel like I'm in timeout, just sitting here. So this is what it looks like.
Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding?
I don't know it.